Welcome to Averroes Academy. Welcome to Introduction to AutoCAD. This is a detailed course for beginners. This course will equip you with everything you need to know about AutoCAD, having no prior experience with the software. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a commercially computer-aided design drafting software application. AutoCAD is used in many industries such by architects, project managers, engineers, graphic designers, city planners, and etc. This is a design and annotate tool where you can construct 2D geometry and 3D models. This also will help you to automate tasks such as comparing drawings, counting objects, adding blocks, create your own schedules. AutoCAD also helps you create your own customized workspace to maximize productivity. Who is this course for? Anyone who wants to start using AutoCAD in their career and get paid for their AutoCAD skills, this course is for you. People who may have used AutoCAD before and would like to brush up your skills, people moving to AutoCAD from another design software, newbies, amateurs, students, engineers, and any hobbyist or creative person, this course is for you. What will you learn from this course? So this course will give you a basic understanding and a step-by-step guide on starting your drawing. You will be introduced to the user interface and get familiarized with it, and then dive into creating your own lines and shapes. You will learn about various design tools, which will help you to draft, like circles, rectangles, and creating all kinds of basic shapes. You will then learn about various selection tools to increase your workflow. This will basically help you modify your drawings through moving, copying multiple objects, using other modify commands like mirror to mirror your objects to enhance your drawings. You will then learn how to draft a basic building plan. By using all the modify and drawing tools you have learned before, you will be able to create your own customized plans. You will then learn how to use commands like inserting blocks, creating your own blocks, defining your attributes to enhance your drawings. You will learn about the annotate tools and dimensioning techniques. You will learn the difference between model space and paper space, and creating and setting your viewports, creating your format sheets, customizing your format sheets, and making your drawings ready to plot and share. By the end of this course, you will be able to share your drawings with anyone you like. Careers involving AutoCAD. Most people today are using AutoCAD as the tool to communicate drawings. Architects, mechanical design engineers, automotive design engineers, CAD teachers, structural design, CAD operators, CAD drafting, the list goes on, where AutoCAD can help you start a new career. After completing this course, you will receive a certificate of completion. You will be able to add AutoCAD to your CV, and you will also be able to start earning from your AutoCAD skills. Thank you so much for your attention. Looking forward to seeing you in our class. To join the Averroes Academy, please use the link below.